Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Russell Heights to Cherry Gardens. So we are now on the Russell Heights Road heading towards Cherry Gardens. As you can see, this is a very nice neighborhood, and on the left you have an apartment complex, and on the right you have another apartment complex being built. Basically, it's a new trend now to buy a property, tear down the structure on it, and build apartments. The association put in the sleeping policemen to stop persons from speeding through the neighborhood. It's a new trend that I notice a lot of communities are doing now, putting in these sleeping policemen. We're now entering the Cherry Gardens area. The road we just came off was the Upper Russell Heights. One of them is Upper Russell Heights. Now this road that we're on, it's very peculiar because Google Maps has it by one name and another map thing has it by another name. But I know this road to be Carmel Road. This is the Cherry Gardens area, and you can see you saw the sleeping policeman, and here's another one we're coming up to. Okay, on the right is Upper Markway. It's probably the most popular road in Cherry Gardens because the Hillel High School is on Upper Markway, and Hillel is one of the popular schools in Jamaica, very prestigious high school. through the Benson Fording. entering the Norbrook area. We're now on Benson Avenue.